The process to get there is your yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dhyana, and samadhi. This is the typical Ashtanga, as you call it. But what we are doing is, we are picking the third part. We are ignoring the first two which comes. We are ignoring the five which comes later on. And we think this is the whole gamut of yoga. This is not. That is why today, we have people who practice yoga, but they are not yogis. They are doing yoga for physical fitness, they are using yoga for psychological well-being. But the concept of yoga as being attuned to a higher dimension, as being complete, as having an element of divinity coming into you, that is missing. So even among the yoga teachers, we see there's competition. We see there is strife. One person has to be on name one. The person below is not accepting it. So this kind of an element of struggle that we see in the yoga system and the teaching as we see today is not what yoga talks about. For you to become a yogi, you have to move from the practice of asana to the practice of yoga as a holistic system. You practice yoga and asana for half an hour a day. And if that practice does not integrate spirituality into the rest 23 and a half hours, you cannot be a yogi. So the process of how to move from asana to be a yogi requires not just the physical fitness, it requires psychological maturity, it requires seeking the end in mind. So this idea of seeking the end is what is knowledge oriented. Knowledge that is in books, it is in teachers, you have to take it in, imbibe it, make it a part of your life, then it becomes yours. So then this knowledge, this gnanam, becomes vijnanam. It becomes your experience. So the integration of yoga with vijnana, the integration of the so-called posture into the wisdom so that you become a whole person is the holistic science of yoga. So I'm happy that Vinay has named yoga Vijnana. I don't know whether it was conscious, deliberate, or he said 100 names were given, he just picked it up. But that is the trend. So we move from yoga at one end to Vijnana at one end, and we become holistic in the whole process. This is what yoga is all about. Anything other than that is a little short of yoga, you may call it yoga. But that is again a fitness at the physical, some element of psychological stability, and nothing more than that. But to go beyond, you need that emotional balance, you need that hankering for the higher, you need that spark to reach out to something. So we hope in the practice of this hall and the practice of people who come here to do yoga, this will open up and give them a higher dimension. So then possibly we will not have asana practitioners, we will see yogis more. Thank you.